Army ants, the ultimate swarm raiders. They're almost totally blind, but they have a super sense to the slightest motion draws an attack. So if you're surrounded and don't move a muscle, if just one ant senses prey, it calls in the troops, and it's game over. Venomous stings immobilize their victims, then liquefy their tissues from within, making them easier to butcher. With so many mouths to feed, they'll even take on dangerous prey, like wasps. What the Army wants is their young. Hundreds of soft, protein-filled packages. It's the jackpot. Raid over. Now, to get all this food back to base. The smallest ants, called minims, help out by offering a leg up, even if it can cause a bit of a headache. It's a masterpiece of organization. Scent trails guide them home to their astonishing nest, a jungle bivouac